welcome to Math with Ms. Kessler. If you are watching this video, I really appreciate it. That means that you care and you are here to help a lovely scholar who wants to get better at math. We are talking about Eureka Math, and the awesome curriculum allows children the opportunity to ask questions in math and not just memorize things. I'm definitely one of the adults who just was told to memorize things and didn't get to ask a lot of questions, so it's awesome to be a part of a curriculum that gets to teach children that asking questions is okay in math. Today we're going to be looking at place value. Here is what all of our lovely scholars already know. They know that a digit is any number between 0 and 9. They know that the largest digit in any place is a 9 and that the smallest is a 0. They know that a digit's value is affected by its place. They know that place is where a digit sits in a number and that value is how much the digit is worth. Adults, you may want to know, why do people need to learn about this? Well, students need to know about this because they need to be able to read, write, and identify the place value of each digit in a 9-digit whole number. So we haven't moved on to decimals yet. We're going to go over whole numbers right now. We're just going to go over an example. We have our lovely chart right here. We're going to label it ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and over here I'm going to squeeze in 10,000s. I'm not sure why I put a little bit right there. There we go, 10,000s. We have our ones, our tens, our hundreds, our thousands, and our 10,000s. I am going to put the number right up here. Whoop, focus, there we go. And we're going to figure out how to write the number in standard form first. So we have to figure out where the 4 goes. We teach our students to write the number backwards because it's easiest to do that. So the 4 goes in the ones place, the 0 goes in the tens place, the 2 goes in the hundreds place, the 6 goes in the thousands place, and the 7 goes in the 10,000s place. We're going to add our comma. Okay, now that we've written it in standard form, our next step is to write it in expanded form. This is where a lot of our scholars get confused. So we have to ask ourselves a question, and I like to ask the question for every single place value on the chart. I say, what value does the 4 have in the ones place? What value does the 4 have in the ones place? When we tap our brains, we know 4 times 1 is 4, so we put a 4 there. Then we move on to our tens. What value does the 0 have in the tens place? What value does the 0 have in the tens place? The problem here we're doing is 0 times 10, which is 0. So we're going to put a 0 there. Then we move on to hundreds. What value does the 2 have in the hundreds place? What value does the 2 have in the hundreds place? It would be 200. We move on over to the thousands place and we say, what value does the 6 have in the thousands place? What value does the 6 have in the thousands place? Then we come on over to the 7, which I know is a little bit squished, so I'm going to have to write our answer sideways. Come on now, let's focus. What value does the 7 have in the 10,000s place? What value does the 7 have in the 10,000s place? And I understand it sounds redundant saying it again and again and again for every single place value, but it's incredibly helpful to get it into our scholars' brains. And then we have to add our addition signs to know that 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 200, come on, let's focus. There we go. Plus 0 plus 4 equals 76,204. And our scholars know that the word "and" is on vacation. We know that word "and" is on vacation. It has not come back from summer break yet. Okay, now we've done standard, we've done expanded. Our next step is to write it in written form. $76,204. And that is how we do our standard, expanded, and written form for place value. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me.